Justice Siddharth Mridul Manipur High Court के anouba Chief Justice ओइना Governor Anusuiya Uikey na washak loukhre. Pending the leiba case sing athubada loishingani haina Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na phongdorakli. Justice Siddharth Mridul washak loubugi thauram ado Raj Bhavan ki Darbar Hall da Manipur ki Chief Minister amasung MLA khara civil amadi police ki makok thongba official Manipur High Court ke judge amasung advocate amade Justice Siddharth Mridul ge imung manung ge miyoi kyana saru yakhe. Wasak laubagi thauram adu haudokpo aina Manipur ki Chief Secretary Dr. Binit Joshi na Justice Siddharth Mridul bo Manipur ki Chief Justice oina hablakhiba amade Manipur ki Governor na wasak laubani haibagi cherol pathokhe. Wafam adu thamlaba matung Governor Anusuiya Uikey na Justice Siddharth Mridul bo Manipur High Court ke Chief Justice oina wasak laubagi thauram pangthokhe. Thauram adu loiraba matung paumi singa unaba amada Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na hai anouba mafam amada lakpagi nungaiba adu Manipur hek phongdorakpa mikupta phangba ngame mafam asigi asengba nungsit amasung akoibagi fibam sing pukning huna nungaiba fawi Manipur High Court ke Chief Justice oina thabak pugadariba mahaki matam ase yamna masak thokpa ama oigani haibagi thajaba chauna lei Siddharth Mridul na makhatana hai Manipur High Court ta leiriba pending case singi matangda ngarang ase tathok tasin taunare maduda pending case punna lising ahunga chahum kunthraga manga lei haiba chap chana khangba ngamle Matang asida haining bade mahangna Delhi High Court ta judge ama oina thabak tauringai matam aduda hauzik Manipur High Court ta lairiba pending case ke masing asigumba ama athuba matam da loishinba ngamkhe maram maduna Manipur High Court ta masak ngakpigani mahang masamak yauraga judge manga leiba maramna court asida lairiba pending case sing athuba da loishinba ngamgani haibagi thajaba chauna lei madugi damak akhang kanba amaga loinana hearing pangthoktuna pending case khudingmak athubada loishingani haina Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na makhatana thajaba pirakhe.
So I must tell you that I took stock of the situation yesterday and I am told that the entire pendency in Manipur is 3,335 cases at the High Court. And I assure you that those are the number of cases that are disposed of within a very short period of time in the court where I come from. So that is of course, it's a much larger court, the Delhi High Court. The Manipur High Court has just 5 judges, including me at the moment. But pendency is not something that you will have to worry about. Everybody will get a patient hearing and an early disposal.